Good evening. I want to tell you about really some exciting news that I've got, and it's that I've won the Wex Photo competition for Leeds is open. Now this is a competition and basically to celebrate the Wex Photo new store opening up in Leeds city centre. And recently our niece has got a job with the NHS, and I saw it advertised and I thought, oh, we could go and see our niece in Leeds, and I can also take some pictures in Leeds and just enter this competition. And this is the image that won the competition. There was 3 prizes, and I'll tell you about the prizes in a moment because I'm going to do some unboxing. Yeah, the theme basically was Leeds is open after the pandemic, and that this new store was open. So I went around Leeds and been to Leeds maybe 20 years ago. Didn't like it in terms of the road structure, couldn't get out of it. Yeah, just a bypass, it was horrendous, but they've vastly improved Leeds city centre, and it's now a delightful city, and love it, and we'll be back visiting our niece again. But yeah, totally stoked that, and it's just been announced, and the link is in the description on Yorkshire Post, of winning first prize in the Wex Photo competition. Leeds is open, and I have won, drum roll please, I have won a Sony A7c. Wow, fantastic. And when I received the Twitter message from Wex, I was absolutely over the moon to get that. And basically it's very similar to the A7 III, which I'm filming on at the moment, and I've opened it. Basically I've opened the box up. I've just bought an SD card for it, a SanDisk 64GB from Wilkinson's competitor, because we've got one in our town here in Kendal, and it's got a write speed of 260 and speeds up to write speed of 260, a read speed of 300. So that bad boy is going into this A7c, which has a flippy screen. So here we go. And this bit, as it opens here, that's a bit of a mystery really. You've got to get that flat. Anyway, let's get it open. So what do we have here? We have the A7c camera strap. We have Sony Z battery and charging cables, etc. And we have a kit lens that comes with this, and this kit lens is, I believe, 28 to 60. It's dinky. It's dinky. You see that? 28 to 60. So that's yet to go on to the camera. So we'll put that there. And here's the camera itself. And we'll pop. Is there anything else? Oh, charging cable. Another charging cable. I've got stacks of them. So, first impressions of the Sony A7c is it's way lighter than the Sony A7 III. Really is. The dial positions are slightly in different places. You don't have a roller button on the front for your F stops or for your other bits, but there's one on the back. It's much lighter, it's much compact. I've got fairly big hands, so I might need to buy a bracket to put on the bottom for my little pinkies. Yeah, probably not going to use the viewfinder an awful lot just because of the size of it, and I've got bushy eyebrows. But I just love the flip screen, absolutely love it. And this is going to be great for when I do some vlogging out in the field. And I'm probably going to use this camera for vlogging when I'm out and about, and it's great that it flips and you can get it to that armour side so you don't damage the screen. Some fasteners for your straps, and obviously the lens cap there, and yeah, can't wait to really test this. I've got a 200 to 600 that's sat in my other camera bag that I'm looking at, and hopefully I'll really test the autofocus out on this, because apparently it's better autofocus. But let's put this other lens on it. That's what it looks like. So there we go. The A7c, courtesy of Wex Photo, for winning the Leeds Open competition. And I didn't just get this kit camera, which is worth £2,000, but also £250 worth of vouchers from Wex. And I'm waiting to see what DJI bring out in their next drone series, the DJI Mini 3, or the Air. There's an upgrade for the Air. And seeing if there's an upgrade coming out this year, I'm probably going to purchase another drone. I've got 2 Mini 2s, and probably sell those to and use my vouchers to get one of the latest drone with the latest technology for more photographing in the Lake District. And yeah, please like and subscribe to this channel. It would really help. I'm really thankful to everyone who has subscribed in the last couple of weeks with my Bleed Tarn stuff and my drone stuff. Thank you very much. Yeah, so yeah, totally over the moon to win the Leeds Open competition, and I've entered a few more competitions in the Lake District, and I'm just fingers crossed that some of my images that I've taken, the sacrifices of getting up really early and staying out really late, will win another couple of more competitions, and will help to build clients and to a bit more of an income stream for my photography, because I love doing it, and love capturing, whether street photography, portraits, landscapes. And so the next couple of weeks I'm going to be posting a couple of videos to see what this camera can really do out and about in the Lake District Fells. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye for now.